I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Java 11, Git, Python 3, and repo installed on your Linux host. Create a user for builds, provision 250 plus GB disk and 16 plus GB RAM, then enable Ccache to speed iterations. Next, initialize the AOSP manifest for your target and run repo sync J16 to fetch sources. This grabs thousands of files, so expect several minutes to hours depending on your connection. Once done, check for sync errors and missing dependencies. You now configure the build environment and choose a launch target that matches your device. Source build /and setup. Then launch the appropriate combo. This sets path and variables, so make sure to export any custom overrides. If you need hardware-specific blobs or patches, apply them before building. Use git rebase or cherry-pick carefully to preserve upstream. Run make $nproc for an incremental build. Watch build logs for missing headers or dependency failures, and fix those before continuing to full images. You finish by building the full images and packaging them for your device. Run the target build and generate factory images or OTA packages. Once images are created, validate the outputs: boot, img system, img vendor, img, and confirm checksums. Then flash them with fastboot in the correct partition order and reboot into fastboot or recovery as required. If the device boot loops or fails, capture logcat, recheck device tree and partition layout, and ensure any proprietary blobs match the kernel and vendor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.